Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start chapter 4 Turkish invasions of India. For that, you have to open your book on page number 25. Okay, so let's start. Topic is Turkish invasions of India. So, start from first para. In the previous chapter 3rd, we studied about the Islam. Okay, so founder of Islam was Prophet Muhammad. Okay, Prophet Muhammad preached a new religion in Arabia. So this religion was Islam and its followers were called the Muslims. After Prophet Muhammad's death, the caliphs were the successors of Prophet Muhammad. Okay, the caliphs, the successors of Prophet Muhammad, fought many battles to spread the Muslim religion. Islam was also spread through trade. The Arab merchants propagated the new faith wherever they went. Islam thus spread to West Asia, Northern Africa, and Eastern Europe. Arrival of the Arabs. Now in this paragraph we will study the arrival of Arabs in India. Okay, Arab people, Muslim people came to India as merchants. Okay, as merchants. Merchant होते व्यापारी. So India's trading relations with Arabia existed as early as the 7th century. Okay, so it was the trade relations between Arabs and India began in 7th century, as some Indian kingdoms imported horses from Arabia. Okay, तो जो इंडिया के जो रूलर्स थे उन्होंने किया कि अरेबिया से उन्होंने अपनी जो है हॉर्सेस को इंपोर्ट किया है ना, तो हमारे इंडिया में जो हॉर्सेस हैं वो अरब लोग लेके आए हैं. विद द टाइम द अरब्स मर्चेंट सेटल्स इन मालाबार कोस्ट. Malabar coast means you have to see the next page, India's map. Here, this is the Malabar coast. You can see the India's map here. India before the Turkish invasions. So here it is the Malabar coast. Here this is the coastal area. Okay, sea beach coastal area. It is called Malabar coast, this region. Okay, this bank of the river. Okay, this bank of the Arabian Sea, this side, it is known as this coastal area is known as Malabar coast. So Arabian settled in Malabar coast. Okay, then the Indian they spread their faith and built mosques. Mosques means मस्जिद. उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना फेथ, अपने रिलीजन को, अपने धर्म को वहाँ पे फैलाया और वहाँ पे उन्होंने मस्जिद बनाई. ठीक है. द इंडियन रूलर्स डिड नॉट ऑब्जेक्ट टू देयर रिलीजियस एक्टिविटीज़. एट दैट टाइम इंडियन रूलर्स डिड नॉट इंटरफेयर इन देयर रिलीजियस मैटर्स. ओके, सो इन द 8th century CE इंडिया विटनेस्ड एन अरब इन्वेशन. ओके, Muhammad bin Qasim, a general of Umayyad dynasty, conquered Sindh in 712 and Multan in 713. These territories remained under Arab control for nearly 1.5 centuries. Okay, so some of the Arabs came to India as merchants and some others came to India as Arab invasions. For example, Muhammad bin Qasim, he was the general of Umayyad dynasty. Okay, they conquered Sindh and Multan, and that was at that now these parts are not in India, they are in the part of Pakistan. At that time India was undivided, so that's why that was the part of India. So these territories remained under the Arab control. So Arab invasion lead to a more defined cultural exchange between Arabia and India. For with the invasions of Arab people and with the merchants, with the coming of merchants, the culture exchange between Arabia and India, it was more defined. So new culture introduced, that is known as composite culture. Composite means mixed culture of India and Arabia. So Arabs translated many Sanskrit books into Arabic. They translated many Indian books, many Indian Sanskrit books to their language Arabic. Okay, they further developed the science of astronomy and mathematics, especially numerals. The Arabs gradually adapted the Indian way of life and interminged means exchange freely with the local people, mixed freely with the local people, Indians. Okay, the Arabs were followed by the Turks. ओके कि उनके बाद कौन आया इंडिया में, उसके बाद टर्क्स आए हैं, है ना। पहले आपने देखा है कि मुस्लिम जो है, ये जो मुस्लिम कंट्री है अरेबिया, सऊदी अरेबिया, यहाँ पे मुस्लिम जो है रिलीजन ये स्टार्ट हुआ है। उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड वो फैला है। इंडिया में कैसे आया, और उसके बाद इंडिया में कौन आया, टर्क्स लोग आए हैं। टर्क्स वो क्या है कि उनके बाद उन्होंने वो एज अ इन्वेडर आए हैं, उन्होंने अटैक किया इंडिया पे, है ना। Turkish invader entered India through the mountain passes in the northwest. Okay, Mahmud of Ghazni led to the first series of invasions. So next chapter we will study in the next further chapter we will study in the next video.